Hi, I'm Holly, and today we're going to take a mindful study break. So, our brain pretty much operates like a muscle, and our muscles need times of intensity and focus. And they also need times of rest in order to perform best. So I'm a runner. If I ran 7 days a week, 365 days a year, my muscles would actually really deplete and I'd likely get injured and run not as fast. But if I give myself rest days, so if I run 3 days and have 4 days of rest or vice versa, my muscles can rest and my body can perform better and I'll run faster and longer. So just like our muscles need rest, so do our minds. So often when we're studying really hard for something, we're like, yes, I'm studying, I'm working so hard, I want to do well on this. And it can be a great thing, but there's also sometimes where you're looking at the page and your mind can't take in any more information. And that is okay. When that happens, and you might be in that moment right now, offer your mind a moment to pause and a chance to rest so that it can then perform better when it is that big test or project or whatever it might be that you're working really hard on. So we're going to take some time to have a mindful pause today. So I want you to find a space that feels safe and supported for you, and we'll get started. So find your way to a comfortable seat, and let's give our minds a break. Focus on where your sits bones meet the mat or the chair, wherever you are. Feel your spine lengthen. Inhale, bring your shoulders to your ears. And exhale, drop them down the back. Inhale, fill your belly with air. And exhale, open your mouth, let it go. 2 more like this. Good, now gently rest your eyes and scan your body from head to toe. Just notice what's present for you here. And now bring your attention to your breath as it flows in and out of the body. Take a long, slow inhale, followed by a longer, slower exhale, and pause. Long, slow inhale, longer, slower exhale, and pause. Long, slow inhale, longer, slower exhale, and pause. Now release any control over your breath and just allow your natural intuitive breath to flow in and out of the body. Don't try to control or change it, just let it flow in and out. Just bring your awareness to the breath, just observe it. And if you notice a thought or a worry trickle in, notice that. And just observe it, repeat to yourself, thinking. And then bring your awareness back to the breath and just let it flow in and out. If a sound or a thought pulls your attention away, just notice, are you thinking or are you listening? Don't judge it. Don't get mad that it happened. Minds wander. That's just what they do. And then just place your awareness back on the breath. Now release any control over your mind. If your mind wants to wander, let it wander. And if it chooses to be still, just let it be still. And slowly open your eyes as you return to this space. Take a moment to feel proud of yourself for taking that mindful moment to pause and strengthen your brain by resting. And I hope you feel refreshed and ready to move through whatever comes next. I'll see you next time.